You have observed in the working of the Minimax algorithm, we had waited up to the point where we will be hitting a leaf node, and by leaf node I mean a terminal position, right, where I can determine a win or loss or draw. For a game like tic-tac-toe, here the number of possible moves, the number of possible board states is not too high, and hence this algorithm won't take too long. But for a game like chess or Go, the tree will be very large, and the running time will be, for the Minimax algorithm, will be very, very expensive. So all real computer games, real game playing AI programs, I should say, they do not search to the actual end of the game, but only a few moves ahead. Now, if that is the case, here we have seen that at the terminal positions only we could allot the utility value +1 for a win, considering it that we are always playing from the side of max, +1 for a win, -1 for a loss, 0 for a draw. We could assign these values only at the terminal level. But if I am not searching to the end of the game, how will I assign the utility value? And if I do not assign utility value, how will my Minimax algorithm run? So the program must have some way to determine whether a board position is good or bad for a certain player. This is again a heuristic methodology. By this time you are quite well versed with the word heuristics, which means an approximate estimate of something. This is an approximate estimate of the goodness of a board position. So such heuristics are usually called eval functions or evaluation functions. And the better the evaluation function, the better and more efficient is your AI gamer. Just as a tidbit, not that we are going into this discussion, but just as a passing comment, I will say that usually these days these evaluation functions are designed through learning, through machine learning, by taking huge amount of data of games, of recorded games which have been played already. Somehow the machine is taught that, for example, if I am seeing the intermediate chessboard position and ultimately I know that this is a win or a loss, and I train my AI program, whatever that learning model may be, I train that model on mapping that intermediate board position to a win or a loss probability, then I have an evaluation function. So many a times these days machine learning is used.